Hey everyone, it's Akos here from ATechFlow, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, this is Dania from Wuthering Waves. Okay, I think this is officially my third collab now with TRIBIT. And honestly at this point I just genuinely like their products. Because first I tested the little Pocket Go speaker, which honestly surprised me for the size, and now we've got this, the big angry brother. And I'm not even joking. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. This is the TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2, and after the latest firmware updates, it apparently sounds even better now. We are talking upgraded sound processing, improved EQ tuning, stronger bass at higher volumes, lower microphone latency, anti-howling features. Honestly, there's a lot of upgraded here. So today I wanna properly test it again and see if these updates actually makes a difference in real life. So after the intro, let's start. Alright, first thing first, the design and the build. And first of all, this thing is still absolutely massive. Like genuinely, this is one of those speakers where the second you pick it up, you already know it means business. You've got the huge carry handle, RGB lighting, massive drivers, passive radiators, rugged design. Honestly, it feels more like carrying a small gym dumbbell than a speaker. But weirdly enough, that's kinda why I like it. It feels powerful before you even turn it on. And now let's speak about the sound quality update. Obviously, the biggest reason for this update is the sound quality itself. And honestly, you can actually hear the difference. TRIBIT basically rebuilt the dual DSP audio processing chain, which sounds complicated, but in real life what it means is clearer sound, better separation and less distortion, especially at high volume. And one thing I immediately noticed was the vocals actually sound clearer now too. Everything feels more balanced while still keeping that massive bass-heavy personality the Blast series is known for. The high volume performance. And another thing I noticed after the update is the speakers feel more aggressive at high volume now. Like before it already got loud, but now the dynamic EQ kicks in harder when you push the volume up. So the bass still feels powerful without the sound completely falling apart. And honestly, that's impressive because a lot of speakers sound amazing at 50% volume, then completely die once you max them out. But this thing feels controlled even when it's ridiculously loud. They also updated the X3D Surrond Preset too. And honestly, for movies, gaming, or just making music sound wider, it actually sounds more immersive now. I still personally prefer X-Bass mode most of the time because I'm bass addict, honestly, but it's nice having multiple presets depending on what are you listening to. And another upgrade I was really liked is the Redesigned Custom EQ, because now the frequency ranges and gain controls feel way more usable. Before sometimes EQ adjustment felt a little too sensitive or awkward, but now it feels much easier to properly tune and sound exactly how you want it. And if you are somebody who actually likes tweaking audio profiles, this update definitely improves the experience. And surprisingly, they also improved the microphone side too. So now you got improved reverb effect, microphone boost, anti-Howling boost features and lower latency overall, which honestly makes karaoke or party setups way more usable now, because bad microphone latency completely ruins the experience sometimes, but this feels much more responsive after the update. Now one thing TRIBIT does mention though is because the sound performance got enhanced, battery life can be slightly reduced compared to older firmware versions. But honestly, I personally take the better sound quality, because realistically if I'm buying a speaker this massive, I want it sound as insane as possible. And guys, after using it again properly, this thing is just fun. That's probably the best way to describe it. Whether you're using indoors, outdoors, gaming, parties, gym sessions, or just annoying your neighbors with bass at 2 AM, this speaker just makes everything feel bigger and louder. So after these firmware updates, do I recommend that this TRIBIT Blast 2 speaker? Absolutely. Absolutely. That's now, guys, it's huge. Because it's already had the hardware before, but now the software finally feels more polished too. Cleaner sound, better EQ controls, improved microphone performance, stronger high volume tuning, and still this massive 3-bit bus everybody buys these speakers for in the first place. And honestly, if you want a portable speaker that feels like absolute overkill in the best possible way, this thing is hard to not enjoy. So huge thanks again to TRIBIT to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to use it, it's a brutal to use it, it's a fun to use it. Guys, this speaker is just blown away. 100% I'm telling you. If you wanna check it out, links will be down below in the description. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. No, it was Akos from ATech Flow. It was a TRIBIT Stormbox Blast 2. Yes, it's there because it's huge. I can't put nowhere. That's huge like the bus. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.